Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem involving Tuya vibration sensors and their mysterious communication with the cloud. So, you tried using Wireshark to capture traffic, but all you see are DHCP and ARP packets, and not a peep from the sensor's MAC or IP address. And yet, the sensor is doing its job without a hitch. How can this be? Let's unravel this tech mystery together. In the solution to this perplexing issue lies an interesting insight. The reason you're not seeing any communication from the sensor is due to the nature of Ethernet and Wi-Fi networks. Unless traffic is specifically addressed to your device's MAC address, you won't catch it in your Wireshark net. The switches in Ethernet networks are smart cookies. They'll route traffic only where it needs to go. And in the Wi-Fi realm, your network adapter might just filter out signals not meant for you. To crack this case, you'll need to position yourself in the sensor's communication path by using your regular router for capturing packets or employing some clever network wizardry. Now, to wrap things up, to intercept the elusive communication between your Tuya vibration sensor and the cloud, you'll need to get crafty with your network setup. Remember, the sensor's data isn't just floating around for anyone to catch. You've got to position yourself strategically. So, gear up and get ready to unleash your inner tech detective to unveil the secrets of this silent sensor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Your support keeps us going.